If you've been riding your Ryker without a windshield, then you know firsthand that it can really wear you out, as your abdominals are working overtime to fight against continual wind resistance, especially at higher speeds. And riding without a shield also leaves your face and torso wide open to potential road debris. If these are issues you'd like resolved, you may be interested in our EvolutionR Series windshield. This shield is made from polycarbonate, which is super lightweight and known for its high impact resistance. It mounts directly up to the pre-threaded holes on your gauge cluster support, providing you with instantaneous protection from the wind, making your ride far more enjoyable. The shield is available in a larger touring edition that measures in at 15 inches tall by 19 inches wide, as well as a more compact sport edition that measures in at 12 inches tall by 15 inches wide. Both shield sizes allow you up to 3 inches of vertical adjustment with a lever located here. We also offer both the sport and the touring shield sizes in clear for those of you who like to do a lot of night riding. Now allow us to walk you through the install process on one of our shop Rykers.
Before you begin, make sure that your bike is on level ground and that your parking brake is engaged. Start by adding a washer to each of the 4 included screws. Then, slightly peel back the protective cellophane wrap so that you can align the 4 holes in the black plastic shield with the corresponding holes on the windshield bracket. Hold the 2 pieces together so that you can mount them up to the 4 pre-threaded holes on the gauge cluster support bracket located here. Start by inserting a screw with washer into the bottom hole location, finger tight for now. Then repeat on other side. Once the 2 bottom screws are loosely in place, you can tilt the shield back towards the bike to align the top screw location. Once aligned, thread in a screw with washer, finger tight for now, then repeat on other side. Then go back through and tighten down your hardware with a 4mm Allen wrench. When tightening down the top screw location, you'll need to insert your Allen wrench through the hole in the black plastic shield located here to access the screw head. If additional clearance is needed, you can release the lever on the front side of the shield so that you can slide the shield upward. Once your hardware is tight, remove the protective cellophane wrap and adjust your windshield height to fit your particular needs.
Now, if protecting yourself from unwanted wind is on your mod list, head over to slingmods.com to grab an EvolutionR Series shield for your ride. If you'd like to see more content like this, make sure to like and subscribe to stay up to date with everything Ryker. I'm Jen, and we'll see you out on the road.